Okay guys, Expert Magic 101 here to teach you my first trick that I will be revealing. What you're going to need is going to buy some cards. These are gimmick cards. You're going to need to buy double stick tape. And you can make the gimmicked card by yourself. Doesn't take that much work. Just take a joker, buy 2 decks of cards. Doesn't really matter what color the jokers are, what color 2 decks you buy. Just take the other joker that looks like this one and glue the ace, one of the aces onto the back of it. Let it dry, and you're set with your gimmick. When you need to buy double stick tape, you can actually use double stick tape to stick these 2 cards together, but I prefer actually rubber cementing them together and letting them dry. Put 2 books over top of it and let them dry, and they hold together real good. Okay. Take double stick tape, put a double stick tape in between where my fingers are. I have a double stick piece of tape there, right there. And that's the gimmick, the other joker. That's the gimmick for the other joker. You need 3 normal cards, 3 normal aces, I mean. And you're going to take the 3 aces, and you're going to put them face down. The gimmick joker that you made or bought, mine is a bought one. Place it on top with the joker side face up. The next gimmick, the double stick tape gimmick on top. You're going to do the Elmsley count. There's several tutorials on YouTube for the Elmsley count. I will do one later. Right now I'm just going to teach the. I'll go over the Elmsley count briefly, but then I'll teach the rest of the trick. The Elmsley count is you pull off the top card. Alright, you're gonna pull off the top card, push over the 3 top cards, and leave the last ace. So you're just pushing it off, and the last ace comes off. Steal back this joker. You're gonna steal back with your fingers underneath. Steal this packet off, and that's the Elmsley count. I'll go over it more in detail in its own tutorial. So you do the Elmsley count. You say I shake it. The first Elmsley count goes. You do the first Elmsley count to show 1 joker turned face down. Now they've seen 3 jokers face up, 1 face down. You do it. You shake it again. You do another Elmsley count. Now they see 2 jokers face up, 2 face down. At this point you say, I'm going to show you how I do it. Count off 1, 2, 3. Hold the last 2 cards as 1. Okay? Take them and slide them underneath the double stick tape joker and square everything up. You say all I'm simply doing is taking the jokers and turning them face down. And what that does is it sets you up for the last vanish, the last turn down of the last joker. Because you're going to take and squeeze the center of the pack. Right in between the 2 edges. What that does is it sticks the double stick tape together. You squeeze tight. At the same time you say, I'm going to do the last one just like this. Snap. And it's done. It changes face down. And you say, this entire time I haven't been dealing with the jokers. You squeeze again if you want to make sure this tape is stuck. You say, I've been dealing with the 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. The gimmicks are real easy to make, real cheap, and you can get started performing this trick and blowing mind freaking your friends, if you want to call it that. Criss Angel shit. But that's NFW. It's just a little bitty old gimmick pack of cards that allows you to perform one hell of a trick.